Welcome to the top picks. The best Airbag Dog Holder is probably one of the most innovative pet safety products to hit the market. Designed to keep your furry friends secure during car rides, this holder utilizes airbag technology to provide superior protection in the event of a collision. It's a game changer for pet owners who prioritize safety without sacrificing comfort, ensuring your dog travels in style and security. Number 5. 2-pack waterproof AirTag Keychain Holder. This keychain holder boasts IPX8 waterproof performance, making it washable and resistant to sweat, water, and rain. It has been tested over 3,000 times, ensuring it's perfect for daily waterproof use. This compact and lightweight cover comes with a keychain, making it easy to attach to keys, backpacks, pet collars, or other valuables. It's designed for easy carrying, so you can keep track of your belongings effortlessly. Featuring a high-performance TPU case, this protective case is made of soft liquid silicone and hard PC material. It provides 360 degrees protection, safeguarding it from scratches, scuffs, drops, and other damage. With a simple and effective design, it's easy to protect your device. Just put it together to create a leak-resistant seal. Installation is easy, and it comes with a metallic keychain for easy carrying. This keychain holder is specially designed to be compatible with AirTag. The exclusive design ensures a flawless fit. If you have any questions, a professional team is ready to assist you within 12 hours. What we like? This holder boasts IPX8 waterproof performance, making it perfect for any adventure. It's designed to withstand water, sweat, and rain, ensuring your AirTag stays safe and dry. If you have an active dog who loves to swim or play in the rain, this is the perfect choice to keep track of them. What people say? The 4-pack with 2 styles IPX8 waterproof AirTag keychain holder case has been a fantastic investment for keeping my AirTag secure and protected. The IPX8 waterproof rating is a standout feature, ensuring my AirTags remain safe and functional even in wet conditions. The set includes 2 different styles, offering versatility in use. Number 4. SANKALA AirTag Dog Collar Holder, 2-pack. This is the latest upgrade for dog collars, designed specifically for Apple AirTags. It's perfect for keeping track of your furry friend, ensuring they're always safe and sound. Note that the AirTag is not included. The holder features a sealed design to protect the AirTag from water. This makes it ideal for dogs who love to swim. It's made from durable materials for long-lasting use. This full-cover silicone set provides 360-degree protection for the AirTag. It prevents scratches, dust, and damage, making it safe for all your pet's adventures. Installing this holder is a breeze. It easily attaches to your existing collar without any modifications. It fits collars from 0.8 to 1.3 inches, ensuring your pet's comfort. You'll receive 2 dog collar AirTag holders. With this, you can easily locate your pet if they go missing. Order now and protect your furry friend. The holder's trendy design will make your pet the talk of the town. Choose the best for you and your pet. Choose SANKALA waterproof AirTag collar holder. What we like? This holder features a waterproof design, ensuring your AirTag is protected from water damage. It offers 360-degree protection, safeguarding against scratches and impacts. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-install solution to keep your pet's AirTag safe, this is the one for you. What people say? The dog car seat is easy to install. The dog car seat is very sturdy. The dog car seat is easy to clean. Number 3. Dog AirTag Holder, waterproof, easy install, 1-pack black. Keep your pet's AirTag safe from the elements. This holder has a waterproof rating, protecting it from rain, slobber, and splashes. You can track your pet without worry, even during bath time. The fully wrapped silicone design completely protects the AirTag. It isolates it from water, mud, and pet saliva. This sealed structure ensures the device stays dry, allowing for stable tracking, no matter the weather or activity. Installation is a breeze. You can easily slip it onto your dog's existing collar. It fits collar's loops from 0.8 to 1.3 inches wide and grips tightly. No tools are needed, and there's no risk of losing the tag. Made of super soft silicone, it feels gentle against your dog's skin. It won't irritate fur or skin, ensuring your dog's comfort. Even sensitive dogs can wear it comfortably, allowing them to run, play, and nap peacefully. This holder is built to last, with reinforced edges and tear-resistant material. It's designed to withstand the adventures of your dog, from puppyhood to a seasoned explorer. You will receive one holder. What we like. This holder uses waterproof shield technology to protect your AirTag from rain and splashes. The full wrap design ensures complete protection, and the puppy-safe silicone is gentle on your dog's skin. If you have a playful puppy or a dog that loves outdoor adventures, this holder provides the ultimate protection and comfort. What people say. Fits her large collar easily and it feels secure. Fits the AirTag perfectly and is very waterproof on my active dog. They're durable and waterproof. Number 2. SANKALA AirTag Holder for Dog Collar. Introducing the SANKALA AirTag Holder, designed specifically for your dog's collar. This holder ensures you can easily keep track of your pet, providing peace of mind. This holder features a waterproof sealing design, protecting the AirTag from water. It's perfect for dogs who love to swim, keeping the device safe and dry. The full-body silicone case and transparent cover offer complete protection. This design prevents scratches, dust, and damage, keeping it secure during any adventure. Installation is a breeze with its one-step process. It easily attaches to collars between 0.8 and 1.3 inches, ensuring your pet's comfort without any hassle. You'll receive one dog collar AirTag holder. It securely holds the AirTag, allowing you to locate your pet if they wander off. Order now to protect your furry friend. What we like. This holder features a waterproof sealing design to keep your AirTag dry. It offers 360 degrees protection, ensuring your device is safe from scratches and damage. If you like a secure and easy-to-install solution for your pet's AirTag, this is a great option. What people say. Super easy to slip onto my dog's collar and my dog doesn't seem to mind it at all. It keeps the AirTag protected and secure, and feels durable. Perfect to put on my pup in case she gets out. Waterproof and secure. Fits great and keeps AirTag safe and dry. Number 1. Dynmeow AirTag Holder for Dog and Cat Collars. Introducing a secure holder for your pet's AirTag. This holder is designed to keep the tag firmly in place, so you can always keep track of your furry friend. The holder features a slide-on design, made from a single piece of silicone. It easily attaches to your pet's collar and ensures the AirTag stays put, no matter what. Specifically designed for cats and small dogs, this holder fits collars of various sizes. It provides a comfortable and secure way to keep your pet safe. The holder offers complete protection for your AirTag. It prevents the tag from falling off, getting scratched, or collecting dust, ensuring it remains in top condition. Made from waterproof silicone, the holder is easy to clean. Simply rinse it with water, and it dries quickly, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. This holder is incredibly lightweight and comfortable for your pet. Made from soft silicone, it won't irritate your pet's neck, ensuring they can wear it all day long. What we like. This holder's slide-on design ensures the AirTag stays securely in place. It's specifically designed for small dogs and cats, providing a comfortable and lightweight fit. If you have a small pet and want a secure, comfortable holder, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It's sturdy, well-made, and fits snugly on my dog's collar without sliding around or sticking out awkwardly. This one fits the AirTag snug and it hasn't fallen out. It stays on the collar where you put it and doesn't mow around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.